Patience is very good, and what's good? It's a new day. Yes, it is. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I got sent this in the mail, and not in the mail, in the front of our house though. And what's in the box? What's in the box? So I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys, and yeah. Ow, ow. By the way, what do you guys think it's inside this box? Leave a comment in the comment section below if you guys know or have an idea what you think is inside. Let's go. What might be inside this box? It's pretty heavy. Okay, let me see. It went through. I wasn't even thinking we're gonna go through. So first, let's go. I'm gonna open this. I hope I'm on frame. I'm gonna open this. Let's go. Last chance, guys. What do you guys think is inside this box? I can actually see it. Oh my god, it's a troller. I just gave the answer. Let's like trying to make it difficult for you guys to like guess what you guys think is inside the box, but no, I gave up the answer just like that. Okay. Wow. Guys, look at this. At the other side of the box, you can see a pictogram of what is inside the box. Wow. 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 This is a very beautiful trailer, man. This is a very beautiful one, man. Oh yeah, I didn't remember ordering for this. I'm guessing because of my line of work, I need one of these. So I applied and they sent me one of these. Let's go. Okay, but I think the tires are in here. Bruh. Do they think I'm gonna have time to fix it myself or what? How am I gonna fix this thing? Okay. Let's go. This knife is sharp, man. Who actually reads this? I don't know why they keep making them. Okay. 2, 3. We got your 4 tires. Okay. I'm guessing they'll have to go in here. Oh no, so they expect me to lose this thing. I don't have a. What am I gonna use? I don't have a tool to use to lose this. I just said minutes earlier who used this, and now I'm looking at it. Bro, I have to loosen the nuts. Have to loosen it, then tighten it, bruh. First, I need to go find what I'm gonna use to open this nut right here. Is it not a screw? No idea. Guys, does this ever happen to you guys? Like when you're looking for something that you won't be able to find it. Like I say this thing every single day. What I can use to open this, maybe spanner, plier, it doesn't matter what. I see it every single day. Like, and now I need it. I search for it. I can't find it. I found this though. Bottle opener. Oh my god, what might this be? Wait, I think I have a clue where it might be. Let's go. I found it, guys. We keep all our tools in this yellow bag. I know it looks dumb and stuff, but everything it's in it. We got armor, bro. Everything is in it. Let me see. Nope, not this. What's in here? No, not this. Okay, maybe this will work. Okay, I see a lot of things in here. Okay, this or this will work with the plier. This is what I was actually looking for, but okay. First, I'm gonna okay, I think this would be the better option. Oh no, this. Wait. Guys, I'm an on-demand. It's late at night, that's why. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay. Wait, am I tightening it? I'm tightening it. Okay. Loose, let's go. Finally. I think this one will be better, much faster. Pardon. Oh. Why is this not working? Done. Okay. So now, bruh. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm damaging the underparts of this trolley. I'm saying troller. Yeah, it's troller also. Why won't this open? The rest are opening at once. Finally. And imagine I have to do this in 4 different places. Look at what the time says, if you guys can actually see it. It's 12:15. Okay, now the question is how, or does it matter how I fix it in? Does it matter? Let's see. Does it? I don't think it matters. Let's go. Guys, I just noticed something. This tire, because it's able to roll left and right, it's supposed to be at the front and not at the back of the trolley. So now I have to start again from square one. Or should I just leave it? No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. And it's not because I'm lazy to fix it. It's just because most of the time while I'm using the trolley, I use it from the back side. And while using from the back side, it's gonna be easier for me to direct it, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it then, because it's gonna be much easier for me. And when I find out it's not easier for me to like direct, then I'm gonna lose it. By the way, tomorrow I'm gonna test it. Guys, finally I'm done. OMG, this took me like half an hour to make. What? Yeah, I think most of the reason is because I'm using the wrong tool, but it works though. It works. So let's go. Let's go. This wheel supposed to be at the front, but I don't mind. Okay. Okay. Job well done, guys. Guys, look at this. Job well done. OMG. Let's go, guys. That's gonna be it for today. I just fixed my trolley and I'm gonna try to edit this video real quick, then I'm gonna go to sleep for like 3 hours, then I'm gonna wake up around 4 a.m. then I'm gonna start my day. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, gained it sort of thing. Let's go, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see you guys definitely tomorrow. Peace.